The first thing that I want you to do is visit the website TalentDesire.com. This website is completely free, and you won't have to spend a single penny just to maximize this opportunity. You can scroll through their website and see for yourself what else they're offering. They have tons of options that you can work on to get extra income. This is actually a great way to start building your passive income. They offer online reading, online typing jobs, freelance blogging, language translation, and online page surveys. You can do all of these simultaneously as long as you have the time. In that way, you can earn the maximum amount you can get from this website. But with this video, we're focusing on online typing jobs because this is one of the easiest and simplest things that you can do on this website. You'll see on their website that you can get $13,500 every year, all the way up to $27,000. This one is a great way to earn money, especially if you don't want to do much just to earn extra income. They offer a per-word price that'll be categorized into 4 different groups: beginner, intermediate, professional, and expert. Lucky for you, because I have a bonus tip for you. You can charge as an expert even if you have beginner skills. Next website that I want you to visit is Ratatype.com. This website will offer you a free typing test. Once you're on their homepage, you'll see a button that says Start Typing Now. I want you to click on that, and then you'll be taken to another page where you can start typing using your computer or mobile device. One good thing about this website is that it'll offer you a certificate that you can use in different scenarios. The certificate is also free of charge. Having a certificate will guarantee a higher income and a higher rate per page. You can even get accepted easily if you have the certificate, even if you're new to this method. As I've been telling you in my past videos, earning online doesn't have to be as complicated as it seems. When you start typing on Ratatype.com, the website will start counting how many words you can type per minute and your accuracy in typing. For better opportunities, you should achieve at least 90% accuracy. The higher the accuracy you get from this website, the higher the offer you'll get as well. Once you're done typing, the website will reveal your typing speed. If you're not satisfied with your result, you can repeat the process until you are. Once you're done, you should scroll down in order to sign up for a free account. You just have to provide your name and email address in order to create your own account. After that, click on the yellow sign up button to proceed. You can now log into your Ratatype account once you're done creating your own account. You can now access your dashboard and your certificate. If you click on your certificate, you'll see the details of it. You can either repeat your score or print the displayed certificate if you're already satisfied with your results. Now, we'll be going back to TalentDesire.com to start earning more money. I want you to scroll down to the bottom of the homepage of the said website. You'll see a button that says Apply Now, and I want you to click on that button. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to another page where you can start your application. This page will also walk you through the steps for pricing your application. The next thing that I want you to do is click on the red link that says Select an application form. You'll then be redirected to yet another page. This is where you'll see an actual application form for work-at-home jobs. Once you locate the button that says Fill in your details, I want you to click on that. You'll be directed to another page where you must provide basic and simple applications in order for your application to be processed. Take note that you should click on the Accept button. This just means that you're accepting the privacy policy of the website. You can take advantage of this opportunity no matter where you are in the world. When you've reached the section that asks about what time is best for you, I want you to click on the option that says All Day, because this will give you better opportunities and higher paying offers. You also have tons of payment methods that you can choose from. Isn't it convenient to have different choices as to how and where you want to get your money from? Once you're accepted, you can already receive different types of jobs, just like what I'll show you on the screen. As you can see, you can even get up to $15 per page. This is very easy because you'll just be typing names anyway and will not have to do anything complicated. I really am hoping that you'll try this method because it's something that can help you get more money even without offering specific skills. I bet this is a win for you because you won't be required to spend any amount of money just to create an account and start earning through this website. Just like what I've told you, you can get as much as $15 per page, and the best thing is that you can definitely earn $15 over and over again. I told you, there's no limit to your potential income with this technique. As long as you're willing to spend a little bit of your time, you can build different income streams through this method. The money that you'll make from this can greatly help you, especially if you're still a student. You can also use this method even if you're already working because you can do this at any time of the day. That's all I have for you.